Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a custom C4 4-inch channel car and equipment hauler. With an 83-inch wide deck that's built on a 4-inch channel frame and two 3,500-pound Dexter axles yielding a 7,000-pound GVWR, the C4 car hauler is a great lightweight option for most half-ton pickups to transport everything from autos and ATVs to landscaping and commercial equipment. At the front of the trailer, we have a 2-inch A-frame coupler with an all-weather wiring harness and a 5K pop mount swivel jack. This pop mount swivel jack can quickly stow away to the towing position with the pull of a pin, which saves you time when hitching and also helps to protect the jack from being damaged while it's not in use. We've also installed a spare tire mount on the curb side to add a spare, giving you peace of mind when you're hauling. The C4 is available in lengths from 14 foot to 20 foot, and this was decked out with 2-inch treated Canadian Spruce Pine Fir. We've also added diamond plate steel fenders with a matching Desert Tan powder coat finish. These fenders are removable, giving you full access to your wheels and tires when maintenance is needed. At the rear, we have a 2-foot dovetail option with our 5-foot slide-in ramps. This helps to give you a lower loading angle for low-clearance equipment and vehicles. As always, you can check out more information on this trailer by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.